What's in common to Mrs. Nixon from Boca Raton, Mrs. Faez in Pennsylvania, Mrs. Schmidt in Texas, and Mrs. Lavin in California? All of them have dogs. All of them have beautiful Oriental rug. And all of them want me to remove the urine odor. Let me show you how I remove the urine odor completely. And this has rewarded me 5-star reviews on Google. Let's see it. Most of my customers ask me, can you show me before and after? And I reply, I wish if I can show you the urine odor. So this time I decide to make a video of show me the pee-pee. And here I am. I receive almost on a daily basis Oriental rug from all over United States to be clean from urine odor. Take in mind that nobody sent me the rug because they love me. Because they love the Oriental rug, they send it to me all the way from California, Alabama, Texas, to Florida to be clean, organically, odor-free, and guarantee in writing urine odor removal permanently. Let me show you the whole cleaning process from the beginning to the end. The blended odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea flood the Oriental rug gently on the top, and the vacuum from under the rug pull everything through the rug. So every nuts, every fiber got washed through completely, and all the urine crystal wash out and fall down to the pen. This cleaning process repeats itself many times. And I can see through the tube, the pee-pee. I can see what's coming from the rug. So I cannot show you the urine odor, but I can show you the pee-pee. I can see the pee-pee, the dirt, the saliva, the cleaning product that you use on your rug. Everything's washed out from the rug, go through the tube, show me what is in the rug, and go to the sewage where it's supposed to be. That's it. This is how I clean Oriental rug, different than anybody else. I never use a scrubber because scrubber designed to clean the floor mat in front of Home Depot, not a beautiful Oriental rug. I clean Oriental rug from small rug to the gigantic, super-size Oriental rug. This is my specialties. Oriental rug cleaning from urine odor.